Hey guys, it's August 7th. We're going to go through the order flow for the ES 2000 tick chart. And helping us with the order flow is the NYSE cumulative tick on Tradingview. That's the TICK. That's on the 1 minute. And the ES again is on the 2000 tick. So I've not reviewed the order flow yet, so you're going to be reviewing this with me. Let's find out what we can see. So, market, of course, opens at 8:30. That's when the tick opens up at 8:30. And, you can't see much when there's nothing printed yet. So, we always like to wait a little bit after the market opens. And looking at price action over here, you can see that your first opportunity is probably in the 840 area, possibly the 842 area. Let's see if anything has stacked up over there. And no. So I don't see anything in order flow that would have helped you catch this move at all. It's still a little too early. This is about 850 is about the first time that we have any kind of information to go on. So we would have missed that whole big thing going down, unless you wanted to take a standard price action of like that's a first entry up and that's a second entry and then it drops. Let's go to 902. Let's see where we're at. Actually, let's see if anything happens around the 850 area for this reversal action. Still not seeing a lot. About the first time I would have been looking at anything is either 857 or 902. 857. So at 857, the reason why I'm looking at that, you had this big downtrend. Yeah, it's a pullback, so that could be, this is looking like a reversal. But on the order flow, at 839, you stopped at this point, and then you stopped at about the same point at 850, and now you're stopping about the same point at 857 again. And so if you're being aggressive, and I do this on quite a few occasions, is I just close my eyes and go for it here. And so that one would have worked out. You're going against the trend, so I don't know how much I recommend that, but that would have been your first potential order flow trade right there, right in about this area. What I like better, however, is down here on the tick, 852, 856, and 902 all tag the same spots. So let's find out. Let's see, now about 902. So here's what I love about the tick and order flow. So this, you guys know about second entries, right? So you've got first entry or first failed entry there. And then you could be watching this. Ooh, a second failed entry at the EMA. I'm going short. Oh, shit. I've been destroyed. Well, if you're looking at order flow at 902, you're not going to take that failed second entry short, because at 902 it's down here at the bottom where we've already stacked up two other times. And so if anything, with this reversal here, you're looking for a long, and you can catch that long, man. Like, you can catch it way low, 2833. You're talking, depending on how brave you are, in reality we get what, like 2 points out of it, but you could have got like 20 points. You know what I mean? So that is the first really good trade of the day. It's perfect for order flow. It's not even that bad on price action. Right there. Actually, probably even before, probably right there. All right, so let's keep moving along. We set kind of a new tone up here, so you got to be patient. 907. You're getting up to that area. No trades that I see. We come back. So we're clearly in an uptrend at this point. So you're not really looking for these highs anymore of the tick chart. You're looking for the lows. So we establish this little area here. We come back to it at 9:15. Where is 9:15 on this chart? There's 9, 10, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Victory. Nice little trade right there. And first entry, second entry for you price action enthusiasts. So that is a fantastic little trade. Let's see what else we've got coming up. We come down, we establish kind of this new low area here. This is kind of no man's land, 921. So what I would have been looking for down here, I mean, there's one of two possibilities. One, I would have thought, oh, hey, we broke through this little spot, so maybe I should just take a risk and go long. In that case, I would have got burned. It would have come back, probably stopped me out before I moved up. But if you didn't do that, if you're waiting, then stacks up here again at 926 and stacks up here again at 930. So 926, that's potential. It's a little aggressive. 930 is right in here. You've hit it 3 times at that point on the order flow. So that's another good trade. 930, yeah. And the great thing is you don't have to, like I said, on an order flow, typically you want to be a little aggressive with where you get in. So you're not waiting for like this bar to print out. You know what I mean? And you're like, it's back at the EMA, showing me good stuff over here. Let's take a crack at it. All right, so clearly the next decent pullback area is 947. Let's see where that is lined up here. 947, ding, 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 ding. Perfect spot. You had built all this up earlier, comes right back, touches the same spot. You're in a great uptrend. No brainer right there, man. And you make some good, even if you wait for that bar to finish, you know, you're basically at 28.56. That's 2 points there. You know, you're up to 10 points without the market even giving you a shake at all. Still got to be brave to hold on that long, but man, it didn't even give you a small pullback at all. It just went. All right, we'll mark a couple more and then we'll be done, because this was kind of it printed a lot today and we don't need to go through all of that. And to be honest, the further you go in the day, the order flow doesn't get as good. It can still be done. I was trading a lot around 2 in the afternoon. I just can't do it now. Now I try to get done before 8:30, so I can't even use this tick chart anymore. But that's just because my job gets in the way. So let's see where the next pullback is. Where did this happen? This is 955. 955, so that didn't show anything. What happened? We came back here at 10 o'clock, we bounced at 10:03, and we bounced at 10:07. So you might have got burned. 10:03, 10:01, 10:02, 10:03 is in about this area. It's pretty risky. There's not a whole lot of price action supporting you. 10:06. 10:06 gives you this reversal here. So you might have taken a hit. You might have taken 1 or 2 hits through here, depending on how aggressive you were trading the order flow. But if you're being aggressive trading the order flow, you would also have taken that one and you would have made up for your points there. Let's see what else is up. One more. It's 10:15. So this happens around 10:18. Where's 10:18? 17:18. That's not a great look. So hopefully you would have stayed out of that. Then it crashes at 10:21. Don't like a lot of that. You're in a clear downtrend after that if you miss those trades. So 1036 would be the next logical place you would be looking for. And you're going to be looking for these highs now that you're in a downtrend. And there you go. So if you're following order flow at 1021 point, you got another point 1025. 1035 is the third point, and that's the pullback to the EMA is 1035. That is right here, which would have got you in pretty early on that move. I would say most other people in standard price action are be getting down 280, yeah, 28, 54, 50. So you would have got in 1, 2 points, 2 full points better. And since I can't resist, let's go see what happened at 1057 to see if that is anything. Is that with this guy? There you go. 1, 2, 3. Breaks it up a little bit, but it's basically at those points right there. And it even gives you a nice price action signal bar. So there you go. So if you're playing along, we'll even skip that first one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pretty good trades, possibly 2 scratches in there. 7 versus 2, man. You can't really ask for better than that. Of course, you got to get good at this. It takes a long time to get used to this, and I combine it with Bookmap, which just makes things even easier. But that's it. That's the order flow for the day. I hope some of your trades, if you were trading the ES, maybe matched up with this a little bit. If you're watching Mac's videos, have fun seeing, if any of these match up with his trades as well. And that's it, guys. I'm out.